Manipur University ki Department of Vocational Studies and Skill Development ki Entrepreneurship Development asanduna Entrepreneurship ki matangda nomine mangani chupna chathagadaba Faculty Development Program ngasidagi haukrai. Entrepreneur khwaidagi hena leiba ngamba khunai na kaidaungaida swatharoi khunai amaki semitlon fagana bohonabada entrepreneur singi thodang chauna lei haina Trade Commerce and Industries ki Director Yumnam Robitan Fongdokhi. Department asigi training hall da pangthokiba thoram aduda Robitana makha taraduna faculty training asi matam asiga yamna chunaba amadi tangai fadana pangthoktaba yadaba maruoiba training makhalamani. Training fanglaba faculty singna mairoi singda takpi tambiduna tungda masak thokpa entrepreneur kaya puthoknaba honabiyu. Masana masabu thabak piduna senthok leinaba honariba mioi singbu kaidongaida hanthana yengloidabani. Madugi mahut makhoidagi laushin bayaba lausing tan sinduna entrepreneur ama oige haiba wakhalon chelminas yaiki. One livelihood, one family haiba wakhalonda lainga asina haugalakliba entrepreneur singbu pukning thaugatuna lakli. Thaurang asigi manung channa laingak na haudokliba Chief Minister Entrepreneurship Sponsor Scheme amadi Center lainga ki Prime Minister Employment Generation Program ki makada subsidy yaw na piriba santhang sing asigi kudongchaba loduna Mipum Kudimal Senthok Lambi Laina Bahona Minasiana Director Asana Pausalakli.
Whole Manipur, I think your faculties are going to be from the various colleges. So when the faculties go back to their own individual colleges or to the university, they can inspire the students to become entrepreneurs, future entrepreneurs. The government is going out of the way to help people to start their own business. There are incubation centers which are spread across the state also, across the country also. We have an incubation center in MIT, I think even in NIT also. I think MU also must be having an incubation center. Anybody can come and take advantage of that, you can ask for it. And then I think awareness has to be given to the public about what are the changes and what are the things which are happening here also. So I think this program is going to be really useful.